Hey Tyler, this is Brandon. Just sending over that short custom video I made for you guys. Just wanted to go over three things, help you out, bring in some more business. The three things I'm going to go over are website content and keywords. Second thing is going to be citations, and the last thing is going to be referring domains and backlinks. I go over these three things because these are typically three things people can handle from either their couch or their office, and they're also three pretty big things that Google looks at as far as how they rank people. A couple of things I wanted just to go over with you that I'm noticing. Um, I noticed this is a website that I have for you guys. I also noticed that you have a business website, and on your GMB or Google Business Profile, this over here, when you go to click on website, it brings me to this error page. So I don't know if you notice that stuff's going on, but your website is not linked to your 99restoration.com. And you also have a 99restoration.com business site out there. Um, so not sure if you're aware of all those things or if this is even your main website, but just a couple of things to take a peek at. So the three things that we're going to go over: website content and keywords. Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of content on your home page. So just by having more content on here is going to do you a lot of favors. And then we want to really focus on keywords. And what I mean by keywords is picture yourself typing into Google, you know, a keyword phrase that's going to get you to your website. What is it that their people are typing in that's going to lead them to your website? So that's going to be things like, residential roofing, spray foam, asphalt shingles, roofing, Albuquerque, all those types of keyword phrases you're going to want to capture inside all that content. And it's a lot easier to capture a bunch of keywords when you have a ton more content. So inside those keywords, also add a service area. So if it's Albuquerque you're trying to take advantage of, just making sure, all those keyword phrases have that service area attached to them. So when I do a search like roof replacement Albuquerque, there's three ways you can get on the front page of Google. The first way to do it is to pay for it with all these ads, right? People know there's value in being at the top and on page one, so they pay to be there. But the second way to get on there is being in this map pack. And this is where citations comes in. Okay. When you filled out your Google business profile right here, you gave Google your business name, address, and phone number. All right. They verified you were a legitimate business. So now what you need to do is take that same information that you gave Google, business name, address, and phone number, and get in every directory out there possible. So the Angie's List, the Yelps, Home Advisors, BBBs, um, Yellow Pages, White Pages, every social media profile you build. Duplicate that same information on every directory, and every time you do that, that's a citation. All right. And it's pretty simple. It's a popularity contest. Whoever has the most citations gets to be in this map pack. All right. So go out there and get in every directory possible, and at least get yourself in the map pack and and on page one that way. The third way to get on there is to be ranked organically in the organic searches. That's going to be a culmination of your website with the content and keywords, making sure your pictures are all tagged with good keywords. And it comes down to backlinks and referring domains. So I use a tool called Ahrefs, and anybody can use this tool. There is a monthly fee to use it. But as you can see, I got your business site in here. It's not coming up with any backlinks or referring domains. It's not getting picked up for any keywords or organic traffic. So then I got your actual 99restoration.com website in there. And you do have 10 backlinks, 2 referring domains, still not getting picked up for any keywords, and don't have any organic traffic coming to your website. So if we go back to these backlinks and referring domains, first of all, what's a backlink? A backlink is any place out there on the web that you have a link. If somebody clicks on it, it brings them back to your website. All right. We want to have a good portfolio of backlinks coming from, strong, powerful referring domains. And what I mean by strong, powerful referring domains is we want to make sure that the backlinks we have out there are in places that are relevant to our business and relevant to our customers' needs. So we want to make sure we have links on other, construction websites, roofing websites. We want to make sure that we have them on social media platforms, blogs, reviews, anything out there that has to do with your business and information for your clients. Once again, getting more content on your website is key because you need keywords to be picked up for. So get some more content and keywords. You'll start to see yourself getting picked up for keywords and ultimately some traffic coming to your website. When I go back to that search that I did, I just went down here to this organic listings here. And obviously Angie's List is a directory, but the first organic ranking business here is this Right Way roofing company. I plugged them into Ahrefs so you can kind of see what one of your competitors is doing. They got over 500 backlinks, almost 100 referring domains. They're getting picked up for over 200 keywords, and ultimately they're driving 524 people a month to their website. So I think you would probably agree, Tyler, that if you could get 524 people to your website, that there's going to be a little business that comes out of that. Okay. So once again, more content, more keywords. Go out there, shout from the rooftops, get your citations so you can at least get yourself in the map pack, and then do some backlinking for a backlinking profile. That's going to help you out tremendously. Just out of curiosity, if I go to save this image, see how it's saved as image number 3? I'm assuming because it's image number 3. This is a good opportunity. Every picture you have on your website, go back and save those pictures as a keyword phrase. So roofing contractor Albuquerque, residential roofer Albuquerque, any possible keyword phrase. That's a great opportunity to take that picture and save it as that. Google does crawl the picture, so they'll know what's going on there and get yourself picked up for some keywords. So as I said on the phone, I just want some feedback on these videos. I want to make sure I'm making these things, giving some value, that people are able to understand this and use it. So if you could just give me some feedback, I would much appreciate it. And in the meantime, you take care.